Hello. So, my name is Linda, and I am here to explain to you exactly what I am marketing and what this means for you when you are ready to finally start this business. So, once you get into my system, my sales page, this is where you'll be able to purchase the program that fits your budget. Now, the first thing you'll see is this page that gives you a glance at what this business is all about. So you should see this page. Don't wait. Join an exclusive community of online business owners that are earning daily pay. And then this is a snapshot, easy step-by-step blueprint, the all-in-one stop for passive income. So this business actually enables you to make daily pay, and then you earn 100% profit. Every time somebody purchases from you, you earn 100%. This is not commission where you're paid 10%, 20%. No, 100%. And then you also get to learn how to make recurring income. Recurring income is basically money that comes in on a regular basis. That's basically the secret behind passive income, which you will learn in this business. So if you are satisfied with this information, you can just click yes here. Yes, get access to the Legacy Builder program right now. You click there and you go and purchase. Now, the Legacy Builder program, as you can see this image here, has four programs. So you have the Legacy Builders program. It actually gives you four income streams. So we have the Legacy Builders program, we have the Digital Mastery, and then we have the Passive Daily Pay and the Launchpad. But if you want to just start with the Launchpad, you can drop down and see what it entails. If you want the Passive Daily Pay, you can drop down and see more information. So for you to start this business, you just need to follow three simple steps. To get started, you purchase the digital program that fits your goals and your needs. So you can choose one of the four. And then from there, once you purchase, you now get into the community where you'll be shown exactly how to make it in this business, how to succeed, how to get that income that you're really looking for. So you'll be shown exactly where and how to start posting your content, advertisement on high traffic websites for free. Everything after you purchase the program should be done for free so that you just earn profits from every sale that you make. After that, you also will now start earning passive income on autopilot because the system is already done for you. Once you purchase the program, it comes with a website, it comes with a sales funnel where every customer that you get gets into the funnel and they keep receiving emails every day that tells them about the business until the day they are ready to purchase. I'll not read through this, but this is a little about me and what I'm doing and why I purchased this program. And dropping down, it talks about the step-by-step program, the $900 program, the Legacy Builder program, what you'll be given access to, all the possibilities that you'll get. I just want to drop down. These are just testimonials, people who've been able to have success in this business. You can read that at your own time. And then here now you are given more information, what is covered in each of the programs. So allow me to just jump there because that is what you want to know. So if you purchase the $900 program, which is called the Legacy Builders program, this one includes everything you need to have to succeed. Yeah. So it has the Launchpad, it has the Passive Daily Pay, the Digital Mastery, and the Legacy Builder program. The reason why we're able to sell these programs and earn 100% profit is because every member who purchases this program is given what is called master resale rights, meaning this becomes like your own product. It's like you made it yourself. So you've been given those rights to sell as though it's your own. That's why you're not earning a commission, you're getting 100% profit. So if you purchase the $900 one, you'll get the Launchpad. For the Launchpad, these are the modules that are included, the trainings. These are not the trainings that teach people how to do digital marketing. And if you don't want to do digital marketing, it teaches you how to build your own online business. So the first part of the training is how to launch your business, your online business. You can see lesson 1, what is passive income? It teaches you about the community that you're getting into, what resale rights are, the winning mindset, how to launch your business to profit in 7 days. Secondly, the second portion is how to automate your business for time freedom. And then you go to how to use social media to market your business, and then how to post free ads in the internet, and then how to grow your following on social media. You just don't attract anybody. You need to be told exactly who your perfect customer is, how to find out who your perfect customer is, how to message them, what content to say, how to say it, exactly how to make them and turn them from followers into customers. That is for the launch pad. And then if you go to the $300 one, the passive daily pay, you'll get everything that you had in the Launchpad. And also, so you can see it says the passive daily pay has everything from Launchpad. Plus, you also get to learn how to make 100% profit from other people's product. This is what I was talking about, the master resale rights. And then you also taught how to find your ideal customer. You're also taught how to master storytelling, how to use content to engage with your customers. And then you also taught how to build your brand, to have a very strong brand identity, how to attract your customers. All this is taught in this program, the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint. If you decide to purchase the $600 one, which is called the Digital Mastery, you'll get everything that is in the Launchpad plus what is offered in the Passive Daily Blueprint. In addition, you also get to learn how to earn 6 figures in 6 months. 6 figures, that is in dollars. 6 figures in dollars. And then you also taught how to build a recurring income stream, affiliate marketing and partnerships, email marketing, how to do email marketing, how to use Chat GPT to increase your productivity. Remember, we want to work smarter, not harder, right? Now, if you decide to go higher and do the $900 one, which is now the Legacy Builder program, you'll get all the other three, the Launchpad, the Passive Daily Pay, the Digital Mastery, and then now in addition to that, you get another module, how to create your own digital product. If you don't want to market this program, you can learn how to create your own digital product if you have the time. If you don't have the time, just market this program and it will do wonders for you in terms of finances and time freedom as well, because you don't need to go into the hustle of creating your own product. It takes time. You also learn how to prepare a course, to teach people, to sell your course and things like that. You also learn how to launch your course or your program. If you want to scale your business, if you want to hire people, etc., how to become an affiliate, how to create your own community, like the community you'll be getting into, and the like. Yeah. Now, if you want to enroll today, when you purchase any of the programs, whether it's the Launchpad, the Passive Daily Pay, the Digital Mastery, the Legacy Builder program, each one of them comes with bonuses that you'd have paid a lot of money to get, but because you're a member of this community, you get them for free. One of the bonus is how access to the digital growth community. That one you get, it is valueless. Actually, you can't put even a price tag on it because the value you get in this community is out of this world. That is what gives me hope every day. Every time I just go into this app, I get so motivated to do things in life that I never thought would have been possible for me. In this community, you get Q&A, question and answer, how to make sure that all your questions are answered and that you succeed in this business. We also have lively weekly Zoom calls so that you can connect with other members, stay accountable, get feedback, just get to learn how to make your business better. You also get another bonus, number 2, Canva, how to use Canva. Canva is a platform where you do all your presentations, whether you want to do a video, a PowerPoint, a PDF, a Word document. Canva is just the go-to place if you want to learn how to create content. Yeah, you get to learn how to use Canva for free. And normally, if you want to learn how to use Canva, it will cost you about $497. Now, you also get a blueprint. My 1 million in 17 months blueprint. This was done by our mentor, the owner of this program. She's called Michelle, and she teaches us for free how to earn how she managed to earn $1 million in 17 months. Yeah. And then the other bonus is a strategy that you can use for 30 days to grow your business, which is normally valued at $297, but you'll get it for free. The other bonus is how to start an online business with master resale rights, which is normally valued at $127. You also get 200 digital product ideas, which you purchased for $297. But because you buy this program, you're going to get it for free. Another bonus, mindset, messaging, marketing to your first million, normally valued at almost $500. You're getting it for free. Another bonus, how to create your own invisible empire. Most people don't want to show their face, they want to do faceless marketing. This one will have cost you about $50. You're getting it for absolutely free. And then now, once you decide to purchase, it's time to decide which one do you feel would be the most ideal program for you. The Legacy Builder program is priced at $900. Normally, this would cost you about $1,900, but you're getting it for $900. Inside, you'll get all the 4 programs plus the bonuses. And if you decide to go with the digital mastery, you'll pay $600, and this means you'll get the other all the 3 programs. The 600, you'll get the 300 and the 100 plus the bonuses. So that means you'll have 3 income streams. If you decide to go with the passive daily pay, you'll get 2 income streams, which is the 300 and the 100. If you decide to go with the launchpad, you'll get only 1 income stream and the bonuses. The beauty is you can start anywhere and you can always upgrade. If you purchase the $100 one, you can get your first customer, and then you can upgrade to 300 or even 600 or 900, whichever you feel you'll be able to upgrade to. For each of these programs that you purchase, remember you're getting a website that has already been done for you. What you only need to pay for is the website fee, which is $29. So if you purchase the digital mastery, for example, you'll also need to purchase the website, which is $29. Yeah. So that is around 629. When you go to pay and you click pay, I'll show you in one of the examples, you'll also be shown another web page where you need to pay the website fee, which is $29. Yeah. So that is it about the programs that they are offering. So if you decide you want to purchase, you choose whichever program is ideal for you and you just click there to enroll. Once you click, it takes you to this page where if you decide to purchase the $900 program, the Legacy Builder program, you enter your name, you enter your email address, your personal email, you put your phone number, and you decide how you want to pay. Do you want to pay with PayPal, Flutterwave, or the credit card? And then you click, you agree to the terms and conditions, and you buy. Once you buy, now I can't put my details because I already purchased. Once you buy, now you'll be taken to the page where you pay for your website. In fact, if you read here, it clearly states, congratulations on choosing the Legacy Builder program. After you purchase, you are just one step away from unlocking full access. So on the following page, you'll be prompted to complete your enrollment by covering a one-time website fee of $29. This nominal investment grants you access to your entire program, our supportive community, and your personalized marketing funnel and website. So once you purchase the website, we'll now go into the nitty gritties where you need to purchase a domain for your website, which is less than $10. And you also need to purchase your own business email. This is only once-off investment, but trust me, once you do this, you're on your way to success. You don't need to buy this anymore. You only need to pay an yearly fee for your domain and your business email, and that's it. So I hope this makes things clear, and I hope you'll be able to make the right decision for yourself. Thank you.